Am I the only one that didn't know dogs need more than just food and love? Let's dive into 5 tips to keep your pup in tip-top shape. 1. Feed right. Choose high-quality dog food and skip the table scraps. Their tummy will thank you. 1. Daily exercise. Walks, playtime, fetch, keep 'em moving. A busy dog is a happy dog. 1. Regular vet visits. Keep up with those checkups and vaccinations. Prevention is key. 1. Grooming time. Regular brushing and bathing can prevent skin issues and keep your dog looking fabulous. 1. Mental stimulation. Toys, puzzles, and training sessions keep their minds sharp and boredom at bay. Follow these tips and your doggo will be wagging with joy. Like and subscribe for more pawsome tips.